Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the Sage the Smart Grill Pro BGR840BSS, a game-changer in the world of grilling. If you're serious about grilling, this beautifully made and well-engineered smart grill is your express lane to becoming a grilling pro. It's not your average electric grill. It's packed with smart cooking features and a temperature probe that ensures thorough cooking. With 2400W of power, this portable grill is a beast, and it comes with 5 smart settings tailored for cooking different meats to perfection. Whether it's beef, lamb, pork, chicken, or fish, you can tailor the results to suit any palate. The grill's design is impressive, featuring a stainless steel build and detachable grill plates that streamline the cleaning process. The brushed metal components give it a sleek look, and the LCD screen on the front displays information from the temperature probe. While it's portable, the grill does have a reasonably sizable footprint, measuring 17D by 8.7 W by 17.5 H centimeters, and it weighs 9.88 kilograms. But don't let that deter you. It's worth it for the performance it delivers. The Sage Smart Grill Pro shines with its high sear embedded elements that emulate those signature griddle marks seen in quality food establishments. The temperature probe is a game changer, taking the guesswork out of cooking, especially for challenging foods like chicken. But the versatility doesn't stop there. You can fold out the grill to double the cooking area and use one side as a flat griddle surface for eggs and bacon. The 1,677 square centimeters cooking space allows you to cook plenty in one go. It's a powerful appliance, and the heat distribution is excellent. Even with a stockpile of meat on the plates, it never feels like it's struggling. Of course, with any grill, there may be some issues with the drip tray. But with quality cuts of meat and a watchful eye, you can minimize the mess. Yes, the Sage the Smart Grill Pro comes with a relatively high price tag. But it's a premium product that delivers on its promises. If you're serious about grilling and use it regularly, this smart grill will prove to be a valuable investment. If you're in the market for an electric grill, there are many options to consider. Like the Weber Lumen Compact Electric Grill, the Ninja Woodfire Electric Barbecue Grill and Smoker, and the Tefal OptiGrill Plus. And let's not forget the range of George Foreman grills, with the Immersa model being a great addition to their lineup. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews on various products. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy grilling with the Sage the Smart Grill Pro.